If you've been looking for a water wave short curly bob, definitely stay tuned. It also comes in a natural black option, so yeah, let's get into it because this is giving. Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe, and if you're returning, welcome back. So today I'm in collab with Luvme Hair, and it's going to be a hard decision today, okay? Because I have two beautiful, when I say beautiful, as soon as you get them out of the box, so soft, and the bouncy curls, they're giving, okay? So this is beginner friendly wigs. The band is detachable and it comes in the box with the wig. This wig is beginner friendly. It is super easy to style. It's pre-plucked, pre-bleach, and pre-cut. HD lace too, so yeah. I love it because we don't have so much maintenance to do to this wig. It's pretty easy to install, so yeah, let's get to it. One of the highlights about this wig is the natural hairline. It's literally melting into my hand. This wig is a C-part wig, which means you don't have a lot of parting space. So that's what makes it a really good option if you are new to installs. And here I am showing you the cap, nice and stretchy, and right here is adjustable straps. Make sure that these adjustable straps are nice and tight. Now I'm adding the adjustable band. This band is great because I feel like it pretty much reinforces your wig to stay on, and it makes it even more 100% glueless. This way you ensure that your wig is going to stay in place and you can adjust it the way you need for your head size. It has the elastic on the band, which makes it easy to grip. The natural black wig is made just like the blonde highlights. Has the C part with the adjustable straps in the back, and it's a ready to go wig. Remember to turn the hooks upward to prevent snagging your hair. 100% glueless, so you don't have to do too much. It's a really easy install. I'm using my Edge Booster pomade stick, and this helps make sure my part is really clean. I don't like to use too much because you don't want to weigh the hair down. Now for the perfect duo. This is just water. Spray a little water on top of that pomade, and it just makes the hair glide and smooth down so easily. Next, I'm going to use my hot comb, but before that, I just want to get into how good this hairline is looking. I like to make sure my hot comb is extra hot. It burned me sometimes too, but it's okay. It's okay. It happens. But we know that the hot comb is, ooh, you see what I'm saying? This is what happens. But be careful. Try not to burn your lace. That's the most important part. Don't burn the lace. If you burn your finger, just don't burn the lace. I like to use this comb to give me extra volume. I like my hair pretty big when I have the water wave hair. I'm using the Sexy Hairspray because I just want the hair to lay in place effortlessly and I don't want to have to do too much. Here's my favorite mousse by Lotta Body. It's so good. I just put like 2 or 3 pumps. The hair is short, you don't need too much. Then I use my Fit Me powder in the part. This is extra, you don't have to do all this, but if you just want that nice natural crisp part, this is a good step. Just use a little bit of the Fit Me powder and it blends in so nice. This also covers the line of demarcation from your wig cap. Love, 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 love a good highlight. So I'm here for it. The highlights are bomb. So I turn to the back just so you can get another view. I feel like this blonde highlight is perfect for vacations. It's so much fun. It's special. I think that it is just such a vibe, especially when you're somewhere out on the island, you're by the beach. Come on now. And even if you're not, you know, it's still a great option, but this is screaming beautiful vacation hair, and yeah, let's go. Like, I mean, look at this. It's not moving. It's not moving. So yeah, it's perfect. Like when you wear the band, every time I wear a band, I just like feel like, look at this. Come on now. This hair is so fun. This hair is so fun. So this is the natural black. It's giving super cute and classy. I'm here for it. It's super pretty. This is perfect for everyday wear. And it's so soft. The curls are really big and loose. Water wave is just a perfect texture when it comes to being able to wear it wet or dry. So you see it dry. I'm telling you now, if you get this wig, it's going to be hard to keep your hands out of your hair. I just keep touching it, like I can't stop. It's just so much body to it and it's so soft. Like I'm obsessed. Like when I tell you I'm obsessed with this hair, what else would you want? You know, like what else? This hair has so much movement. I love the volume. And you see how I'm shaking it back and forth? It's not moving. So we love a glueless unit. And here's the wet look. I just used water and a little bit of conditioner in it. And I feel like it looks super good. Like, look at this. You can wear this either way. And you can add just a little bit of your favorite mousse. I recommend using a couple of pumps of mousse, but don't overdo it. Don't do too much where you make the hair crispy and crunchy. We still want that flow. We want that softness. So this is just for definition after it dries, of course. And yeah, you don't want to do too much, just enough. A view from the back to really get into those curls. I just feel like the natural black is like that casual everyday wear, and this one here you can spice it up and do something different, especially when you want to switch up your style. I think this wig is definitely going to be a go-to. The link to the wigs are in the description box below, so definitely check that out. If you want to save money on your purchase, please use the code LMAMS. We love a good discount. It's super fun to switch up your look and try new styles. Thank you so much for watching this video.